Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 7 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem 2696. Okay, so problem name is minimum string length after removing substrings. So this problem is actually very easy. So in this problem you are given a string S consisting only of uppercase English letters. You can apply some operations to this string, where in one operation you can remove any occurrence of one of the substring AB or CD from S. We have to return the minimum possible length of the resulting string that you can obtain. Note that the string concatenates after removing the substring and could produce new AB or CD substrings. Okay, so we will understand this with this example number 1. Okay, so here this is my string, right? So we can remove this combination, right? AB or CD. So here initially let's remove this AB. Okay, we can remove this AB. Okay, so let's remove it. So now after that my string is like this, F C A C D. Okay, we can remove this CD as well. Okay, so now let's remove it, CD. Now my new string is like this, right? F C A B. So we can remove this AB, right? This is producing a new string now. So here F B are removing this. So in the end this is my string, right? FC. So what is the length of this one? 2. Okay, so we are returning 2 here. So you can go over this explanation. So here remove the substring AB. So my string S is looking like this. Remove the substring CD. So my string is going to look like this. Remove the substring AB. Okay, from this FCAB, then my string is going to look like this. So length of this one is FC 2, right? FC string. So we are returning 2, right? Here in this example number 2, we can remove this AB or CD, right? These are the two substrings that we can remove, but there is no such combination. So for this one, output is 5. Okay, so very easy problem, right? So now how we are going to solve this? Okay, so we are going to implement stack. Okay, stack of characters I'm going to use. So this is my stack of characters. So now see here example number 1. So first character is A. Okay, so initially my stack is empty. Okay, so I can't do anything, so let's push this A. Okay, now after that next character is B. Okay, in my example number 1, next character is B. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, can I push this B in top of stack? So here first check one thing now. So what is the topmost element of my stack? Topmost element of my stack is A, and I am trying to push this B. Okay, but this is one substring now. This is one substring. Okay, so instead of pushing this B, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this A as well. Okay, so just remove it. I have removed this A. Okay, because of this B. Okay, because this is one combination, right? So this is done. All right, then after that I move to this F. Okay, so I can push this F. There is nothing here in my stack is empty, so I can push this F. Now after this F, can I add this C? Yes, I can add C, because there is no substring like FC which I want to remove. I can only remove AB or CD. Okay, these are the only things that I can remove. So after F I can push this C. Okay, after C I can push A as well. Okay, because I am not removing CA. So this is done. Okay, then after that I can push C as well, CAC, because I can't remove this, right? So I am pushing this C as well. This is done. Now after that, after this C, I am pushing this D, right? So I can remove this D. Okay, so now D wants to come inside, but I see in the top of my stack C is there. So what I'm going to do, instead of pushing this D inside, I'm just going to pop this C. Okay, now after that B wants to push. Okay, so B wants to enter into stack. Okay, but I see in the top of stack A is already there. So this is also one combination that I want to remove, right? So here, instead of pushing B, I am just going to pop A. Okay, so in the end, what is the size of my stack? So as the size of my stack is 2, so I'm just going to return 2 here output. Simple. So that's what I'm going to do. So now let's write the code. So here first let's calculate the length of my string. Okay, so int n is equal to s dot length. Then after that, just iterate over all the elements in my string. Okay, and inside this I have to use stack now. So let's create one stack of characters. Stack of character, let's name it as stack only. New stack. Okay, this is done. Now here I'm just going to write few if conditions. If my stack is not empty, if my stack is not empty, then check. After that, check one more thing. If the current character that I want to push, okay, that I want to push is B. Okay, if it is B, and Also check if the top character in my stack is A. Okay, stack dot peak. Okay, if it is equal to A, then we don't want to push this B. Instead we are just going to pop the topmost element of my stack. So here I'm just going to write stack dot pop. That's it. Okay, so now just copy this. Okay, and same thing we need to do for CD, right? So stack is not empty and the character that I want to push is D, but in the top of stack character is C. So in that case also I have to pop this topmost element, and in the else part we are just going to push. That's it. Okay, so here just format it, and in the end just return stack dot size. Okay, let's run it. So the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So time complexity for this problem is going to be of n, since we are iterating over all the characters in my string one by one, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.